Hi guys, I'm running late, so I'm gonna be talking to you really fast. It's few days after, 2 days after Chicago, and I'm flying again. I'm flying to Paris. I've been to Paris, but during pandemic times, that's gonna be my 4th time. Once I've been before pandemic, so yeah, I was able to see the Eiffel Tower. Hopefully this time I will see something else as well. Looking forward for the flight. This is gonna be the first time flying on A380 with the premium economy class for me, so we're gonna have like 4 classes on board today. Premium economy is like premium of economy class. I mean, like, I already read about it, I saw it online, I read the documents that the company sent it to us, but I've never seen in real life, so it's gonna be a good experience to see that. I'm gonna talk to you from Paris, I guess, because I'm running late. I want to stress myself more with, you know, taking the camera out and all of it. You already know how the way to headquarters looks like, so I think I will see you in Paris then. Hi guys, welcome, Paris day 2. It's like, actually it's a day, like day 1. Anyway, we only have one day, like 25 hours layover. I woke up early in the morning. I wanted to wake up 6:30, but I couldn't, like my muscles hurt so badly after yesterday's flight. I laid in bed like until 7 a.m. I woke up, I did my workout right here. I couldn't book a slot at the gym because right now there is a rule that only 2 people can use the gym at the same time, and you need to have the vaccine card with you. I couldn't book a slot, it was already booked. I didn't want to make any excuse. I already was awake at that time, so I did my workout in my room. I did a jumping rope and then a HIIT workout, so yeah, I'm pretty awake now. I had like 30 minutes to get ready. I did that, and then I look at my phone, and then my colleague said, oh, I still need like 15 minutes, and the other one, oh, me too. So I'm like, okay, so let me start this vlog right here. At least I have a few more minutes to talk to you guys. So basically we arrived yesterday evening around 10 p.m. I would say. I was super exhausted. I thought I'm gonna do workout, I'm gonna go to the gym or something, but no. I just took a shower and I fall asleep while I was watching YouTube. At least I woke up early in the morning. Now I'm ready to explore the city, even though I was already in Paris. Like, I want to go, I want to have a walk. The weather is pretty good. It's not the best. It looks like it might rain, but we'll see about that. I have a jacket with me and then like pants, so no worries about that. I'm not gonna get cold. But yeah, today we coming back to Dubai. I think we have a wake-up call around 6 p.m. so we don't have much time. That's why we wanted to leave early in the morning. Right now is 9 a.m. So yeah, in a few minutes I'm gonna see my colleagues downstairs. I think there's gonna be only 3 of us, but still it's a pretty good amount of people that wants to go out, because usually people, if they were somewhere already like few times, they don't wanna do layovers anymore. I mean, depends on the people, of course. I will show you around, guys. Hopefully we'll see something new. If not, then I'm still happy that I'm able to go out on that layover. This is not a gray hair, just in case. It's a dry shampoo. I didn't have time to wash my hair anyway. I'm coming back. I have 1 day off, and then I was supposed to go to Amsterdam, but I swapped the flight to something Morocco. What was it? Something Morocco. I don't remember the destination, but anyway, oh, Casablanca. So instead of Amsterdam, I'm going to Casablanca, and even though it's a red layover, I would not be able to go out from my room or hotel. I don't know what are the specific rules right there. I'm still happy that I'm gonna keep my flying hours. I mean, hopefully they're not gonna remove me. Plus today they're gonna release our roster. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking because it's been too long. I'll show you the view, and yep, we'll go. So this is what I see in front of me. That's the hall from the hotel. That's the view that I have. See how close we are to the airport? So it's gonna be pretty hard to get out from here and go to the city, but I think we're really close. On the other side of the street there is a train station, so I don't think it's gonna be that bad. It's the entrance. We have the bar here, like at the fridge, the closet, big bed, and chair, so we can sit right here, chill, read a book, but I don't have any books right now with me. The view here, you have the desk with TV, and yeah, the bathroom looks like that. It's mess right there, so I don't want to show you, but anyway, we have a shower right there, and that's the bathtub. I don't know why am I showing you this, guys. That's my workout shoes, so you have the proof that I worked out. Actually, I think I will put my laptop and all of like really important belongings into my suitcase, like documents, etc. And I will lock it, so I'll make sure that nobody will steal it from me. This is me right there. I will go right now downstairs. I will meet my colleagues and I will see you later. Bye bye. This is how the hotel looks like. So we have the reception right there. We have the elevators here, and here is a lobby and a bar where you can get some drinks, and there you have the restaurant, but I think they only do the breakfast. I think breakfast is pretty good, like €8, and I think we still have discount, or it's with the discount. I'm not sure. I didn't go because I'm not a breakfast person, you already know.
Before we used to have vlogs. It's gonna be one of those monkeys. Hi guys, this is me at Versailles right now. There's two of my colleagues that don't want to be filmed, of course.
We bought the daily passes right now and we pay like around 18 euros. Oh, that's my colleagues. They don't want to be in the video. We're gonna have it for the whole day so we can change the stations later.
The weather is horrible.
No, it's not that bad. It's a little bit chilly, but not so cold. We can change the stations later and then go from places to places. We find out that we are going wrong direction and we're going this way. We're supposed to go this way. We got out.
Is that better than an iPhone?
Huh?
Is that camera better than an iPhone?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
So are you doing this?
Yes. So we changed the station just to come back to the same train and like go to the same direction. We need to change the metro to the subway. Please don't kill me, French people, but étoilé. I don't know. Yeah, if you're coming from the same direction as we, airport area, you will spend, I would say, an hour in a train, and then yeah, you still need to take the subway. So we need to hurry if we want to see anything, because now it's almost 11. Yes, this time it worked. Proud. Okay, we need to take this bus. I think we should walk this way, right?
Leave us alone, man.
We got rain. But anyway, look at the view. So we just took the pictures. It works, right? Like the elevator is coming right there. Huh? Stop. That's the part, that's where you cannot enter the Eiffel Tower, but we are trying to get to the other side. Distractions on this side. I don't know why, like it's been on for a really long time. I remember like I was somewhere there like last year, January, and I was taking a picture of from this side of the Eiffel Tower with Omar. Omar, if you're watching this, I'm saying hi. Let's find some food and matcha. €3.
Huh?
Cabs, Eiffel Tower, and the other souvenirs you can get. Hi! So we're walking on the street, like some of the people are wearing the masks, some of them not. So we just wanted to feel free. We're not wearing the mask. It's not against the law, we're vaccinated, but I'm talking because that guy was walking by. I think here's a place when I was eating my dinner last time with Omar, when I was in Paris, and we had the view for Eiffel Tower. I mean, when you sit there, you will see the Eiffel Tower, the proper one. Anyway, and here's the street when you can buy more souvenirs, you can eat something. So I think I will grab something right now because I didn't eat anything yet. Oh, he put the mug here. This kind of... Sorry, I'm just looking because I was here last time. And somewhere there, I think they have matcha, because I bought matcha somewhere here on that side. Oh my god! Like, you know, if you have the memories and like you're like, oh, I was there. Oh, so good. Such a good memory. Such a good memories. I care.
No.
What about this? This is beautiful. My feet hurts. We made it.
Here to the airport, right?
Yeah.
Airport 1, right?
We're somewhere here. It's gonna be a pretty long way. Oh my god, it looks like nobody used it for so long. Nobody was here.
Oh, the train station is closed, man, see?
I'm crying inside. Oh my god, this is super close. Look at that. We are not lucky today, not at all. Stick to the bus number 6, that's it. We got lost. We got lost again. It's not that fast. We made it! After making so many mistakes. Guys, this is my food. I'm gonna eat it now. I didn't eat anything yet, and it's 6, no, it's 5. No, it's 4 p.m. I will just use this bed. I'll go to sleep straight after I eat and take a shower, and that's it. That's it. I'm gone. I'm super tired, but I will talk to you later because I don't even want to show my face right now. I just want to eat and enjoy my food, my breakfast at 4 p.m. Here we go. Super good. Looks super good.